Good luck. Pachinko 20x.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
How are you doing, folks? And Jones can teach me some wrestling and BJJ, and I love BJJ, by the way. And Connor, quite frankly, I don't think he's that good of a striker anymore. But we'll see how it goes against Chandler if the fight takes place in the first place, man. Now, we have a 5x on cash on right here. And Masaba, what is a fraud? I've heard that word a lot, but what I haven't realized what it is. Oh, that's what we love to see, everybody. Cash on with a top slot. Don't mind if we do, everybody. Welcome to the shooting range with a top slot, everybody. So let's see the initial ones. Oh, yeah, buddy. This is going to be 500x. This is going to be really nice, too. All right. Let's go. Everything is gold or orange, everybody. Let's go. Cover it up. Mix it up. Both. 5x on the cash out. Can you imagine what kind of multis we would have if we had a 50x, which is the highest on the top slot? Crazy. That would be the thing that puts crazy in crazy time. But now, decision time, everybody. Pick one of these. One shot, one opportunity. Capture it. Not let it slip, man. Be like Eminem. Take it and leave it. Biggest one is 500x. We got 375s as well. Let's go, guys. I'm going to pick this target right here, man.
This is the amount of money issued for 183,359 euros.
Simply beautiful. No other way to explain this. We have 190.
I'm going to think about it all day long. I want to hear it. I want to listen to that's the nonsense, I believe. Hello, Spanish Chileana. See what we are talking about? All right, as well, hi to the newcomers. Welcome to Crazy Time. Happy to see you. As well, do not forget about autoplay. Thank you, RJ. Thanks a lot. Crazy Time at 3x is what Topslot shows. Unfortunately, this time, it isn't so nonsense. Okay. We'll want to hear about it. Look at us, guys. It's a match. Follow me. Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Let's add up that 3x multiplier. What you are saying about that? Let's do this. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and let's see what's going to happen here. So you need to decide which flapper will have a highest multiplier, green, blue, or yellow, ladies and gentlemen. What's going to happen in this time? Majority, as always, thinks it's going to be a blue one, of course, but let's find out. 600x, guys, is going to be the highest one, and I wish you good luck. Maybe that triple would like to join us. I saw that in this time we are having as well triple on the...
This is the amount of money issued, 1,009,875 euros.
Let's round off with 30x on the green, 60x on the yellow, and 300x on the blue. Ooh, yeah. Well, that's quite nice, isn't it? So, 11,573 winners. MJ is the top one, so well done, everyone, on betting time. All right, and let's see what's going to happen. So, I'm wishing you all the best.
8,242 winners. Congrats. Last seconds for you. Spanish, my lady. No, Russian. Last seconds left. Hi. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to, you can write to life support that something's wrong with my voice. You like my voice? Really? 5 times cash. You can write to life support that something's wrong with my voice. I'm just gonna get checked. So yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Does anybody remember what was the top split? Because I can't see it. Bro. We got a top slot. Yes. Do we? 5x! Yes, sir! Oh my, 500! Let's go. Oh my days. No, it drops even lower. Maybe I should just stop talking. No, okay, I think you need to leave. You need to leave or I need to leave. Decision time. Are you a man or a woman? I'm a woman, but I have a sore throat. It hurts that much that I can barely speak. But my doctor's appointment only tomorrow, so now I'm just suffering.
This is the amount of money issued 575,403 euros.
Right here. 240 winners and 500. Betting times are yours. 9,861 winner. Congrats, betting time. And hi! Welcome to Crazy Time. Grace hosting a session right now. Feel free to check out the stats and don't forget about autoplay.
Got home from a long vacation from where to where? Oh, yo, what? Crazy Time, 5x. Crazy Time, 5x, yo. Mr. Bonus Guy. Well, okay, well, this is happening, ladies and gentlemen. Put the 5x on the wheel. Now you get to decide. Green, blue, or yellow. Last time, blue was the MVP. Who knows? Who knows what's going to happen now? Make a choice. Which hand do I press the button with, though? Okay, last time I did the... Gotta go with this one now. 500x is max multi, and we got double on the wheel as well. Come on, people, let's go. Oh, nice. 125 blue, 175 yellow, but green with the double. People's elbow, thousands. X could happen on the green one. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 594,760 for euros.
50 on the green, 125 blue, 175 yellow. Yep. Nice.
Officially on fire. Let's go, everybody. 5 spins, 3 pachinkos. 2 of them with Topslot. Man, we're going out of control. And by the way, if this lands, GG's, bros. 4x on Crazy Time on the top slot. We need it. But it's too far off, man. But okay, we're going to take a 5 right here, guys. We're going to take a 5. Congratulations to 9,790 winners. Crazy T, Rock, and Uga. Top 3 winners, betting time's all yours. Matsepi, Lucky 25. Welcome, guys. It's a Crazy Time. Enjoy your wins, everybody. What can I say? Enjoy your wins. It's awesome. Let's keep that up, folks. Man, we're doing that the whole session long, everybody. Let's go. How much last 3 pachinkos? 125, 7, and 120. We have a 5x on cash hunt again. Can we get it again? That would be nice. Yes, we can. Yes, we can, everybody. You know what? This could be one of the best sessions I've been a part of. Although we haven't seen a Crazy Time, but we're on a cash hunt with another 5x on a top slot. All right, guys, no damage control with 75s here, but we're going to 5x this thing right here. Right, that is a 500, 250, 100. Man, let's go. Man, I'm hyped. I don't know about you folks, I'm hyped. Starting to sweat as well, man. All right, Man, it's so nice, so cool. Let's go. All right, folks. Hey, not a lot of time left for me here. We still have a lot of time, but hey. Man. Yes, like this. Decision time is open. 108 symbols. You can pick only one of those. One. We have 500x on the board again. So let's go get that one. I don't know where it is. Do you? I'm going to take a guess. I'm going to pick an apple again. Don't want.
This is the amount of money issued 876,577 euros.
There are 250s all over the place, man. 139 winners with the 500x. That's beautiful. Let's go. Hey, 14,729 winners. Quadruple M, Star, Darko. You're the top three. Betting time is open. I don't play bet on always by your side. And everybody, it's insanely good session, guys. I lost count how many bonus games to the time slot we have gotten, but like, would be cool to get like a 50x top slot. That's the highest that we can get. But all right, folks.
Betting time's open, guys. Do your thing. Maybe make some barbecue on the weekend. Well, I don't think I will have enough time to make some barbecue. Still want to do it every weekend though. Good luck. Pitching good 20x. You know, there's a reason to hang out outside a little bit. Make a bonfire maybe. Yo, come on! Come on, baby! Ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Whoa. Okay. Oh, okay. We got 20x pachinko, baby. Oh, that should be good. Please, give us that 200x. I'm not asking for much. Give us that 200x and doubles. We got 15, 20, 25, 35 doubles. Okay, put that 20x on. Woo! Let's go, ladies. Look at all these multis, ladies and gentlemen. Check them out. Check them out. Oh, this is a good pachinko wall. 700x is the maximum. If I'm not mistaken, we had a double down there as well, right? Let's go, 700. Sheesh. Last one was 20. Anything is good down there.
This is the amount of money issued to 1,717,714 euros.
Yes, sir! Come on!
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.